Hi there. I have this mini remote that I'm going to try to program to open two garage doors. Uh, so what we're going to do first, make sure that you have access to the door opener, because we are going to need to press the learn button. Okay, first here on this mini remote controller, we're going to press this and hold this button until we get a steady LED light here. So press and hold. Make sure that your garage door is closed. That's according to the instructions. We are waiting for a steady light. There is a steady light. Now we're going to press the learn button. And we're going to press twice the button that we want to program. So I'm going to do the tap 1, 1, 2. Okay, that was the light turning on and off, turning off and then back on, because the learn button light turned off. We are going to wait for the door to open there, and then press any button in the remote control to finish the programming. Okay, so now let's try it. Let's see if it closes. Tap button. There it is. Let's open. Stop. Well, close. Okay, so let's open it, and then we program the other button. Now we are gonna gain access to the second door opener. We are going to follow the same steps. We are gonna press and hold until we get a steady blue light, LED light. And then make sure that the garage door is closed. Okay, we got the steady light. Now we press the learn button, and then I'm gonna press twice this button, 1, 2. We're gonna wait for the door to open, and then we're gonna press according to the instructions any button. There it is. So the programming was finished, and then I stop it. So now I'm gonna close it. There it is. Now the other one. Okay. That was easy and fast. 2-button mini garage door opener. This is a Chamberlain Universal, I believe, and we are using it on a Chamberlain LiftMaster Pro Series. Alright, thank you.